Alright,
my nigga.
Mightyz, my nigga.
Shit, nigga.
Alright, so we here. We got school, you know, raining.
Motherfucker.
3 days in a row. Yeah, it's not nice. I know, right?
Like, gonna get off, my nigga. So, in the rain. So it might be kind of shitty, just to let you guys know.
Oh yeah, and we slipping and falling.
And now it's coming down even harder. But like we said, get a shout out to all the bros, nigga.
Shout out. Wait, hold on. Michael, John.
You can't even do this too long. My camera's about to get wet.
Alright, and shout out to Joshua Boykin. That's the bro.
Nigga, shout out to KR, Bravo, all the Marvel Link, my nigga next door. So that's just coming down pretty hard. So we're just gonna start.
Tonight I'm splashing, top-notch season. Tonight I'm splashing, top-notch season. I'm splashing. Wanted by many, but I roll with the bass. Roll with the bat, roll with the bass. Roll with the bat, roll with the bass. Roll with the bat, roll with the bass. Top-notch season. Tonight I'm splashing. Call me Dizzy, be flashy, Mr. Get Nasty, Mr. Get Bad is like an all-star athlete. Homie, I'm a monster, honest with the hits, and when I see a little shorty, I approach her like this, like. Hey, hello, gorgeous, I'm Dizzy, be flashy, and I'm married to record it. Let her make records, just to make the crowd move, and hear a girl scream cause the nigga soundproof. But us men though, yeah, we get it in though, but I don't play games like Nintendo. And if you ain't my kinfolk, I probably ain't gon' trust ya. And if you ain't the baddest, I probably ain't gon' touch ya. Sucker, nigga, you a buster, speed so nice, and my skinny jeans stay tight like rubbers. Hip-hop lover, hot times 3, I'm a Las Vegas rap with a top-notch squeeze out those. But you already know though, tonight I'm on 10, so I'm leaning like a cholo, ayy. And I'm a bonafide cool boy, and I'm a jerk, I probably should've been a new boy. So hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Now hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Now hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Now hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. Top-notch season, tonight I'm splashing. Top-notch season, tonight I'm splashing. Top-notch season, I'm splashing. Wanted by many, but I roll with the baddest. Roll with the bat, roll with the baddest. Roll with the bat, roll with the baddest. Roll with the bat, roll with the baddest. Top-notch season, tonight, yo. Skinny jeans on, yeah, this is hip-hop. Jerk movement got me rolling like a big shot. And yeah, my itch hot, homie, I'm a Vegas head. And y'all biting my swag like my little sister Asia said. Y'all can play the dead, yeah, nigga, act it up. I'm killing every track, call me Chainsaw Massacre. And y'all laugh at us, but why though? Don't let the jeans fool you, I can make a hit a high note. I got a nice flow, West Coast beats. I kill them, even though I got a retro skis. I go so hard and y'all go so weak. And I murder that pussy, you can call me YG like. Yeah, they call me Dizzy, aka damn, he tight, who is he? Yeah, I stay busy cause I'm trying to